Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Fendi model M0036 in color code J5G. It's a gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold color in metal and with a Fendi logo engraved in it, and at the temple tip we have a blue detailing color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Fendi logo. The style of the frame is semi-rim pilot. Up here we have a Fendi case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.